Documents from Amazon has revealed the company's secret strategy to actually dodge India's regulators. Amazon favored big sellers on its India platform and used them to maneuver around rules meant to protect the country's small retailers from getting crushed by e-commerce giants. That meant that some 35 of Amazon's more than 4 lakh sellers in India at the time accounted for around 2/3 of its online sales at a time when the government of India has been talking about pushing forward make in India retailers. You've got Amazon going ahead and having a strategy in place to overcome that order. So what we do is, in fact, that there were some big sellers that Amazon was backing, that they preferred, and then had a strategy in place to overcome India's regulation and ensure that these sellers that Amazon prefers continue to get dominance in the market. And this is the details that we've accessed based on Amazon documents. Let me take this across to Rajiv Dubey, Managing Editor of Business. Rajiv, good morning. Just explain this for us. How did Amazon pull this off?
I can't hear you very clearly, Akshita, but what basically on this Amazon issue, the regulations have practically been 2 steps behind where, as far as companies are concerned, and companies are always pushing the boundaries, whether it is Amazon or Walmart now with Flipkart, of the regulations to ensure that their interests are taken care of. And the fact that whatever the government regulations have been coming or are being imposed on them, they have been basically just following the letter of the law and not necessarily the spirit of the law. So here is a question of whether you are able to comply with the letter or the spirit. And they've been pushing the boundaries of the spirit while complying with the letter of the law. In this case, Amazon has been, Amazon has 2 big sellers. One is Cloudtail and the other one is Appareo. The Cloudtail company is the one that has been funded by Narayan Murthy's fund, and Appareo has been funded by Patni, computer guys, the people who founded Patni Computers. And these 2 companies are the bulk of the suppliers to Amazon when it comes to whatever is sold on the platform. And these are the companies that Amazon basically uses to discount the products. The problem in retail vis-a-vis the small retailers is just basically discounting. The discounting is the one that hurts the small retailers, and these 2 companies are the ones that provide a majority of the discount because they account for a bulk of the sales. And these are the 2 companies which were originally Amazon had invested in these companies, and it controls the inventory of those companies. And that is where it is pushing the boundaries of the spirit of the law, because the law says that you cannot be selling your own products. So they have set up 2 different companies. They are technically not selling their products, but they have complete control over the inventory of these 2 products. This is where the letter and the spirit are not in consonance. They're not in sync with each other.
Right, and this perhaps will lead to a rethink on India's regulation, because it perhaps shows that there are loopholes on that front as well. Rajiv, thank you for joining us with all those details.